I think I get shorter and shorter every year. Okay. Merry Christmas, everybody. I think it's Christmas. I've been doing a bunch of little videos. First thing, Merry Christmas to my friend just in time prepping. Hope you get your tooth fixed. Please check out all these people. Wish them a Merry Christmas. That's Corsair Trainers. Please check out his channel. That's Steve. Really good channel if you want to do tactics. So go please check him out. Don't forget all these people right here. Yeah, Uncle Al's handwriting's getting bad. Hey, you have glaucoma. See how well your handwriting looks. Now, I wish a Merry Christmas to all these people right here. And that's KFab, AKFab, and Cheryl Hirsch. If you got cash or Amazon cards, you can mail it to them. Gear, food, you want to help them out. I can't remember what their score, but they're really close to 500. So go over there, check out a few videos, give them your support. Okay? I think also Cheryl needs a car too, or a house. So anyway, that's it. And this is a good thing I always do on Christmas. I try to do good things. Of course, the mission meal is the first time I'm serving food because my blood shit came out bad. So I'll be eating at the mission. Now, somebody's, or the kitchen, or whatever you call it, it's a group of people where they sit down and eat, and we talk, and I talked to several people. A lot of people, like last year, I had 20 people come up and just talk to me for 40 minutes each. It's like, never got home until midnight. Because they said, Uncle Alan, you look familiar. Or I kind of remind them of somebody or something a long time ago. I don't know. Just weird. Or somebody gives me $100. Here's the money I owe you. Huh? Do I know you? Trust me, you gave me $100 one time and I'm paying it back. Like, okay. It happens. Your Uncle Al's tired this year. And time to get a new hat for the summer. Just been busy. Cheers, and yes, this is bone broth. Now everybody's saying, man, oh, Uncle Al eats animals. Yes, because I need extra nutrients, fats, and bone marrow, and salts, because Uncle Al's a little pea kid right now. So I'll catch you folks later. Merry Christmas.